kura se county ya Nyamira tera no goika se county ya Kisii and Nsemo ya igare abantu abagotuma batari kwenyara aseri tukuliare nigo banyara bakonyora obokonyi korwa ase keombe kemo ikibono kyabage ko bagati yebinto anene endagira na boigo na marangeti korengana ne kiombe kimanyikete buna Ahadi Kenya nigo gyatabere buna ine nchire moyo konyara gosira abantu batari kwenyara boigo babwato mu cyando anebono abantu bare abagotu umurikito mirdede mumanyi na ekerane nseme ya igare na gotwariganira roboti rokobwatia
ase amatuko abwangoiga nigo abagotu babiri baguchandwa ase ebinyoro imensi ya Kenya asekeria buna nigo bare abarogi ingane iyo yabeire umuchando monene na korenta oboba ase abagotu bonsi ase chinsemo au Imeye county ya Kisii ase Nsemo ya igare nigo abagotu banyora abageni batali babutambe kurwa ase ekiombe kya Ahadi Kenya yekoragwa na Dr. Stanley Kamau abo bacha kuba obokonyi bwebinto au kati yabo obosibo kuruga ubwerongoli amwe na marangeti nebitamba kati yebinto binde bunenchere ya moyo kubaika ange engakeiga lire lionjokire na korenta obokendu obonge ase omoteneri asaba abagotu gosikwa.
And today I'm here in Kisii, in line with what Ahadi does best during this cold season, supporting the elderly with blankets and other essentials. I've been very concerned about the cases of elderly, particularly in this particular region, being blooded as witches. When something happens in this region, not only in Kisii, Nyamira, also in Coast region, and other parts of northern and northeastern regions. When something very small happens to a family, something unfortunate happens, I think they find the elderly and they call them all manner of names, calling them witches, and they end up lynching them, killing them. And I think it's very pathetic. It's very ungodly. I don't know which term to use, but I think it's backwardness for anybody to point a finger at an elderly person who is over 80 years, 90 years old and call them a witch because something unfortunate has happened to their families.
Bali banyora obokonyo bwe nigo bakangambye muno ase okonyora obokonyo bwe.
Gaki mokale bo butambeiga ase moko genda gaki nyasaba bwatisi na inu nechingo cheino bo
mbiya muno abagani ba minto lero nanyoriro burangeti nigitamba ntanya korora nonye kero nakine igento ngwaka mbiya muno nindwarete nimbwato bolemo bwane lakini lero mwakonye esimwaru akinya saba sisi aba bale ntambiya muno asanti gaki nande tonyore na barabuno
kurwa ekiombe kya Ahadi nigo basaba serikali gwasonania na kulinda abagotu na boigo gochya kubeka lichiko ase chinga chiria chikulinda abagotu eliomba gochandwa.
And I wish to call upon the authorities, and also before the authorities, I want to call on the communities to be very, very careful and to mind the warfare and give the elderly a dignified life. These are people who have taken care of our parents, they've taken care of us, they are taking care of their grandchildren, and I think the worst you can do to an elderly is to point a finger and allege that they are witches just because they are old and something unfortunate has happened to their families. This is a matter that needs to be looked into. It's a high time the government also regulates the elderly homes and supervise and also see that our elderly people live in dignity even in the elderly homes that are around this country.
Kuripotelea Kisii and Ndizi TV, Litaliane Mildred Momanyi.